Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm making cashew in Mportormportor, and courtesy of Philips Ghana, I have some exciting news to share with you. So stay tuned. This recipe is amazing for you moms and for baby because it's so nutritious. When you've started baby on solids, this is great for you, and you have to try my mango coconut banana smoothie as well. So we're going to start off first with prepping our spices. We're going to be blending together our fish powder, rosemary, and kitty, and then of course we have some cashew nuts as well. So my Philips blender is really amazing. It blends together all my spices really smooth for my recipe. So using the mill, you get all your spices well blended. So we have our cocoyam, about 1.5 or tubers of cocoyam will be fine. And we are steaming tuna in like about a half cup of water, and this will bring out the flavor of our fish stock ready for our soup. So you need about a quarter of smoked tuna. That'll be perfect for this. And you steam it for about 2 minutes maximum. And you add your amani powder, tomatoes and onions, and add some water, and of course our pre-cooked cocoyam. The promo I told you about, Philips Ghana, is saying buy any Philips appliance from Palace Mall, Melcom, Electromart, your favorite retail store, and stand a chance to win one of 10 Philips air fryers. And guys, I don't know about you, but that is so exciting. Look at all that smoothness. Next, we are going to chop up our cocoyam so it has a rough texture using the pulse feature on the blender, and you add that in. That was really good. So next to our smoothie, we have some bananas, mangoes, coconuts, yummy, and coconut water, and a few cubes of ice. We blend all of that together perfectly, and wow, look at that healthy, nutritious yellow goodness. Like, this was so good, and you're gonna love it too because it's more important than ever to eat healthy. Guys, I hope you've loved this video, and don't forget to like, to share, and ask any questions you want regarding the Philips blender that I used. And the promo is still on. Don't forget to get your Philips appliance right now from Palace Mall, Melcom, your favorite retail store, Electromart, etc., and be one of the lucky winners to win a Philips air fryer. If I were you, I would go right now. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay home. Bye.